I've gotten a lot of DM in my Instagram accounts from my besties asking asking the question about why they are using Restream. They have waited for 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, and they cannot find their watch hour they've accumulated, and so many other risks that is there. And you that is watching it for the first time will be like, what is Restream? So today I'll be explaining what Restream means so that it will be clear for everyone that's seeing this video for the first time that doesn't know what Restream is all about. Restream is a service that allows users to simultaneously broadcast live videos to multiple online platforms. It is a tool that can be used by live video creators to share their content on multiple platforms without having to set up separate streams for each platform. So, what Restream helps you to do is for you to, in case if you have Facebook accounts, you have Instagram accounts, you have YouTube accounts, and all the rest, and you want to go live, instead of setting them separately, you can use Restream to go live at the same time, just setting one Restream at the same time to broadcast in all these platforms. Yes, and then secondly, you can use it to get your watch hour faster, speedily than you can ever think. Which, because why I'm saying this, because I have used it, I used it, it worked for me, and that is why I'm sharing it. But remember, what we are talking about is the mistake that so many people are making that will make them not to monetize with the watch hour they accumulated through Restream. But here I'm trying to explain what Restream is before I go to the mistake. So stay with me. Don't stay with me in this. Yeah. So what am I trying to say? That Restream is a very wonderful platform to help you accumulate your watch hour, your 4,000 watch hour faster. But the other streaming app that is there, StreamYard is there, so many of them, there are many of them. But why is the Restream? Restream is more like it's giving you the traffic that you need, and also help you to get your watch hour. Then head to the mistake people are making. Number one of it is reuse content. That one has become a norm to so many people that are using it. Maybe they will use a video today and the video will go viral. Tomorrow they will use the same video. No, you don't do that. When you do that, you are as good as harming your channel. If that video go viral, there are other type of videos, that same video, but in a different way you can use it. Like now I use octopus during my own time, I use wildlife, fish, and every other thing, but I keep changing it. Maybe today I will do about octopus swimming, happy swimming, other ones octopus hiding from predators and every other thing, but the same type of video. But you using the exact video you used today, tomorrow to stream again, you are harming your channel, and that is what they call reuse content. And then the second one is copyright claim. Yeah, maybe you use a clip, and that clip you use a background music that is not in YouTube library. When you use that, YouTube is not going to recommend it, and it's going to be a copyright claim. And when you have a copyright claim, that one is fair because you can easily correct it in your studio. But that's the another one. Then the third one is copyright strike. This one is very, very dangerous. Imagine that I have gotten like 4 or 5 people that have gotten copyright strike. Reason being that they use other people's video. I'm not saying that is a bad thing for use other people's video, because everyone here uses other people's video. When you are using B-roll, is another person's video. When you are doing reaction video, you are using another person's video. But the thing there is for you to use it in a right way. When you use a video of another person, all you need to do react to it in a way that YouTube will accept it, because YouTube also accepts reaction videos. So when you make do have a copyright strike, it's because you did not do the needful of reacting properly on that video. And this is number three mistake that so many people that are using Restream is making. That at the end of the day, what they were rushing to get the watch hour, they will get the watch hour. Yes, they cannot monetize with the watch hour. You have to wait for 3 months before they can be able to make use of that watch hour. So you can see it's very, very, is a very big mistake for you to do that. Then the fourth one is the major one now is exceeding the limit of your live stream. There's so many people that will have a lot of viewers in their live stream. Just like when I was the last one I did, I think I got like up to 500 or 600 people watching at a steady, and I think that video gave me 1 point something million views. Yeah, on my restaurant. Yeah, there are so many people that will see such and they'll be like, why ending this live stream? Why let me just gather all my watch hour at the same time? Not knowing that the limit you have for your live streaming is 12 hours. When you exceed that 12 hours, you are as good as not that watch hour is not going to count for you. So just like I said, if you know that you want to do Restream, just do it the right way so that you can get monetized with it. Like now that I'm talking to you, I monetize this channel with Restream and I've gotten my pay from this channel with Restream. So nothing wrong with Restream, but the problem there is exceeding the problem the time that is allocated to it and the like every other thing that I've mentioned now. And then the other people are also talking about, I think this is the fifth point now, talking about you not having views after you have monetized the Restream. It will be difficult for you to get viewers at the end of the day. Yeah, it happened to me as well because my own uh, the subscribers that I accumulated was so much. I think in a day I accumulated 7,000 watch subscribers, and then I got 9,000 watch hour. So with this height, what it now happen is that every other videos I'm posting or I'm making is now so difficult to get to that height. And because of that, YouTube is kind of reducing the traffic that come into my channel. So if you do yours in a way that it will be in line with the kind of type of views you are having in your channel with the number of subscribers you will have, you will not still have a problem with Restream. So if you have too much traffic in your Restream and it's going to up to 20,000 views, 5,000 views, 40,000 views, you can end the live stream already. Yeah, how do you know that? You go to your studio and desktop studio and monitor those live stream. When it's about exceeding like more than the number of views you normally get, all you need to do is to end it. By the time you monetize, you will not have any problem with views. But Oliver Twist, us here, that was the mistake I made with my channel. I exceeded the limit of having up to 1 point something million views in my for my restroom video, and because of that, every other my video that is not getting up to that is now limiting the views. But all I need to do is to put in the work and keep on posting. So what am I trying to say with all the things I've mentioned? The reuse content, the copyright claim, the copyright strike, the exceeding of the limit of your live streaming, and exceeding the limit of the views you are supposed to get in your live stream. All these things are the mistake that will limit you from monetizing with the watch hour you have accumulated with your restaurant. So with all these things, be careful so that it will not be that at the end of the day you are able to get your watch hour in 2 days or 3 days, but you cannot monetize with it and you have to wait for another 90 days before you can be able to use it to get monetized. I hope this video is going to be helpful to someone, and I know that I'm rooting for every of my subscribers here, and I know that you're going to get monetized, and not just get monetized, also get your viral videos, and not just getting your viral videos, but also getting paid from your hard work. See you in my next video.